Good day, I'm Lorraine Mendez, and this is your JIS News for Tuesday, April 5. Local businesses operating in special economic zones are being encouraged to join the Global Alliance with the World Free Zone Organization. The Global Alliance will be launched in June at this year's staging of the World Free Zone Organization Annual International Conference and Exhibition in Montego Bay. Minister of Industry, Investment and Commerce, Senator Aubin Hill, is among stakeholders who have agreed that the alliance will provide greater opportunities for members. He says the benefits include access to an audience of multinationals, multilaterals, and support organizations. Minister Hill was speaking at a JIS think tank to promote the event.
The World Free Zone Organization has made it very clear that they want at least 60% of the participants at the conference on June 13th to 17th to come from the Americas. They want to make sure the World Free Zone Organization grows its relationship in these countries.
It is their intention to provide far more support and development for free trade zones, special economic zones, foreign trade zones as the North Americans refer to it, to help to build the resilience, sustainability of zones across the world.
The Jamaica Special Economic Zone Authority represents the national contact for Jamaica and will facilitate all businesses joining. Stakeholders are being encouraged to register for the conference at aice2022.com. It will be held under the theme Zones 2022, Your Partner for Resilience, Sustainability and Prosperity. The Tourism Ministry is looking to create greater inclusivity among local coffee supply chains while encouraging the growth of local coffee entrepreneurs. Tourism Minister Edmund Bartlett says this is necessary based on the growing demand for our coffee and coffee-infused products. He was speaking with JIS News at the Jamaica Blue Mountain Coffee Festival on Saturday.
The purpose of this, of course, is to showcase, the varied elements of the coffee value chain and to show the quality of the product that we have as a destination, and hopefully to invite others to come and to taste and to enjoy the values of coffee.
According to Minister Bartlett, having a diversified coffee industry will elevate the experience of visitors while expanding the value chain.
We're making the point that the demand for coffee is exponential. It tends to infinity. Yes?
All right.
So make more coffee.
Absolutely, and I think
produce more coffee.
The Jamaica Blue Mountain Coffee Festival is organized by the Tourism Enhancement Fund, Tourism Linkages Network, and other stakeholders. The annual event aims to showcase Jamaica's tradition of coffee production in the Blue Mountain area, coffee-related products, and the diversity of the bean and its byproducts. In light of ongoing expansion of the hotel industry, students are being encouraged to seek a career path in tourism. Director of the Jamaica Center for Tourism Innovation and Craft Development Institute, Carol Rose Brown, points out that approximately 15,000 rooms are being added to the sector, most of them in Trelawney.
You may not know this, but Trelawney is about to become the parish with the greatest number of hotel rooms in Jamaica. We have to find people to work in these industries, in these hotels. Tourism is not simply about serving drinks or making beds. Tourism welcomes every single kind of person you can think of who would like to work in any kind of industry. That person can find a place in tourism.
She was speaking at the Let's Talk Tourism panel discussion held at the Montego Bay Convention Center recently. The event, which targeted secondary and tertiary level students, was hosted by the Tourism Product Development Company under the theme Diversifying Skill Sets for the Evolving Tourism Industry. And finally, Jamaica's Minister of Foreign Affairs and Foreign Trade, Senator Kamina Johnson-Smith, has been selected as a candidate for the post of Secretary General of the Commonwealth. Her candidacy was announced in a statement issued on Friday from the Office of the Prime Minister. Minister with responsibility for information Robert Morgan asserts that Minister Johnson-Smith is eminently qualified for the post, having held several crucial leadership positions both regionally and internationally. Her appointments include serving as president of the OACPS Council of Ministers and chair of CARIFORUM and the CARICOM Council on Trade and Economic Development. Senator Johnson-Smith was also the first Jamaican foreign minister to be invited to G7 and G20 ministerial meetings, and she represents Jamaica as the African, Caribbean and Pacific ACP coordinator within the World Trade Organization. Prime Minister Andrew Holness has expressed confidence in Minister Johnson-Smith's abilities to build bridges and consensus, bringing governments and peoples to a common understanding. A decision on the appointment of a Secretary General is to be made during the Commonwealth Heads of Government meeting to take place from June 20 to 25 in Kigali, Rwanda. And that's it for JIS News today. I'm Lorraine Mendez. Thanks for watching.